If there was ever a time to trust the process, baby, it's right now. It's right now. You and me both, because I don't know, dog. I really don't know about this. I just don't. I don't know.
Boss, big boss, big boss, big big boss, big boss, big boss.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Karlisa. I do videos on business, hair, and fashion. So if you are into any of that kind of stuff, make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below and join the clique. So today's video is super exciting. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this hairstyle right here. We're going to be doing another clip-in video. It has been so long since I've done one of these, and now that I've shaved the sides of my head, you guys, I thought it would be cool to try it again. So I do want to say thank you to Amazing Beauty Hair for sponsoring this video. These opinions are my own, even though the video is sponsored. Don't click off, like, don't do that. It ain't even that deep. So you guys, we're just gonna jump right on in today. If you like this look and you're feeling it and want to know how I got it, just stay tuned. Guys, we're gonna try something a little different, okay? So I've done clip-in extensions before, but I have not done clip-ins on my new haircut. I do apologize for the setup in advance. We are in my bathroom. As you guys should know, and if you don't know, I just moved across the country from Jersey to Dallas, Texas. So I'm still getting some things together as far as my apartment is concerned. And honestly, you guys, because I'm doing this on my new cut, I have to cut the hair anyway. And this is the best place to do it since I have carpet now. And I don't want all that hair on my carpet. I love y'all, but not that much. You know what I'm saying? Fingers crossed. Let's see how this goes. So you guys, I got the Kinky curly texture bundles in the color 99J. These are two 16-inch bundles. They come with an extra clip, hair care instructions, extra track clips, along with a wide tooth comb. So I had tried to style these previously. That's why they look the way that they look. I sprayed the roots with this root spray, and to be honest, the color transfers a lot, so I don't even want to recommend that spray to you guys. But I had tried this back when I had hair, y'all. So now we're going to try it on my haircut. As you can see, I'm starting out on old, dry hair. So now that I got the little babies in, let me show you what I have going on. So I just flat twisted my hair very loosely so that I had room to put the clip-ins in comfortably without me getting a horrible headache. So I'm just going to go ahead and start out by laying out the tracks as I see fit. The one thing about clip-ins, you guys, is that, at least for me, I just have to play around until I find the right layout. It takes me a bunch of tries, which is mad annoying, I'm not even gonna lie. But when you do find that right spot, it does look so cute. So yeah, take your time when you're trying your clip-ins, you guys. It is going to take you a few tries to figure out what is, you know, the best for you. Everybody does it differently. At least that's what I've seen in different tutorials, along with my own experience. If there was ever a time to trust the process, baby, it's right now. It's right now. You and me both, because I don't know, dog. I really don't know about this. I just don't. I don't know. As I mentioned before, I did try to style these back when I had long hair, and it did not match my hair texture, you guys. I have type 4B hair, and this was too loose for my curl texture. Now that my hair is shorter, I could get away with it just a little bit more, but if you have a looser texture, this might work for you. It's giving very much mullet. Send help, please. Please. Ooh, wait a minute, y'all. Wait a minute. So before I seal the deal with this look, I'm just gonna go ahead and separate the curls because as you can see, they're very bunched together. When I had originally styled it, that's what I wanted because I wasn't sure if it was gonna blend in properly yet. So now I'm just separating it to get a more full look and just to make sure that it'll work if I just leave the hair to one side. As you can see, that hairspray really transfers badly. So my fingers are black. My whole bathroom back home was black after I used that spray, so I'm not recommending it. So I'm just going in and taking out some leave out just so that I can blend that over the tracks so you're not staring at tracks when you're looking at my hair. Okay, so I wish when I originally did this that I took out some more leave out because you can still see the tracks, which I do apologize for. I couldn't really see with the setup that I had. I couldn't see back there, but when I did the final look, y'all aren't gonna see that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and twist that section back up after I got my leave out. Then I'm gonna go ahead and fill back in those extra clips that I took out. Then I'm taking my Wetline Extreme Gel and then I'm using that in water to go ahead and wet my hair, get it nice and curly. And then I'm gonna use my brush as well and try to brush my hair into the tracks. So I'm just, doing that, seeing what works, if I need more water or more product or to brush some more. That's all I'm doing just until I get that hair to blend. You are going to want to make sure that you're using enough water. I wasn't at first and I had to keep going back in. Another thing that I did not do, which I regret, I didn't do it at all in this video, but I did do it off camera once I was done filming and it looked a lot better, was I tried tying my hair down with a scarf after I styled it. And when I say, y'all, that is what you need to be doing, especially if you have shorter hair. Tie your hair down with a scarf after putting in your clip-ins, and the clip-ins and the hair will blend a lot better because it's been tied down into each other so they can just melt. So as you can see, I just feel like the hair looks a little too long. So I'm taking a razor comb and I'm taking off some of that length and giving it some layers just so it could be a little more natural looking and more full. Your girl loves big hair, okay? And I just felt like a layered look would be perfect. You are gonna notice when I reinstalled it, it did not look as even. The layers didn't look as seamless. That's because I actually braided my hair down when I installed it for the last time, as opposed to doing those fluffy twists, so the layers did not lay the same. And yeah, I should have just recut it, but I didn't notice until I was watching the video back that it just didn't look even, but it came out cute for the pictures. But yeah, I did want to make that disclaimer as well.
Please. That's so embarrassing.
I also wanted to mention that if you wanted to get this look without having to shave the sides of your head, you can always just braid down the sides as well. It'll still give it the same effect. For the front of my hair to cut my bang, I just took a regular hair scissor just because I wanted to have a bit more control. I wanted the hair to be more defined in the front, and the razor comb kind of makes the hair frizzy so that the ends aren't blunt. I just wanted a cleaner cut in the front. I just don't like a lot of frizz in my eye and stuff. You can do whatever feels most comfortable to you. These are great quality clip-ins, you guys, because I styled the hair back in, I think, November or December. I did not have to restyle them again. I just installed them this time because the hair was already styled from when I tried to put it in the first time. So Amazing Beauty hair clip-ins are always great quality, but I just wanted to throw that in there just so you guys could see how well the curls held up all this time. I just made sure to repackage them, and that was it. Anyways, you guys, as you can see, the hair is looking nice and full. The layers are cute. It's giving. You can't see any tracks. Now let's get into the final look. I did a thing, y'all. So you guys, I decided not to upload this video until I got a haircut, and safe to say it's giving, ladies and gentlemen. This hair is most certainly giving, okay? I am so excited and happy that I went ahead and got my hair cut before uploading this video because I wanted to give y'all a full look. So I took more leave out and stuff. Now it's giving. I took some fire pictures as well, y'all. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure that you go ahead and do that. It is at KarlisaXO, where all the tea, honey, will be given. So you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I absolutely love these clip-ins. Now that my hair is shorter, it blends right in because it just covers like the little part that should be ombre. You know what I mean? Hold on, y'all. Y'all see that highlight? Oh, okay. Okay, just making sure y'all saw that. So anyways, I'm gonna stop being annoying. Anyways, you guys, I absolutely love these clip-ins. I just think that this is a whole look. I remember when I was younger, I used to want to have that shaved side look so bad. I never had the courage to do it. So now that I'm a grown woman, it just shows full circle how far I've come as far as being bold and stepping into the things that I really want. Anyways, you guys, so I really love how this look came out. Let me know how you guys like it down below. Let me know if you would try this. I mean, if you didn't shave the side of your head, that's okay. But if you want a similar look, you can always just braid it down and then just clip the clip-ins on the side. But I just mean like the clip-ins themselves. Let me know if you guys would try this out. And yeah, you guys, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get out y'all face. If you would like to purchase these clip-ins, I will be sure to leave my coupon code down below along with the direct link to both the hair as well as the website if you want to just shop other textures. I will be sure to leave down below my other amazing beauty hair reviews as well, just in case you want to see other textures. I've tried Afro Kinky Curly along with the Jerry Curl. So yeah, go ahead and make sure that you check that out. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.
Boss, big boss, big boss.